dear students. Today we are going to solve your part 5 of your question number 5. That means chapter 8 trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, exercise number 8.4 and question number 5, fifth part. It is clear. So fifth part already you can see here. I have already written it. Cos a minus sin a plus 1. Cos, it is your cos a minus sin a minus 1 is equals to your cosec a plus cot a. So we have to convert this term into the form of your cosec plus cot a. It is clear. So we will start with LHS. LHS से शुरू करते हैं. First of all, you can see here that the terms are cos and sin. Already they are in lowest term, and here we have to convert it into the cosec and cot. So we have to divide all these terms by sine, so that some of the terms will be converted into the form your cosec and your cot a. So we will divide all the terms by your sine theta. If we will divide all the terms by sine theta, you can see it will be converted into the form cosec a and cosec theta and cot theta. So we are going to divide it. You see that on divide, each term of numerator and denominator by sin a. So we have here, you can see it is what it is, our your cos a upon sin a, the first term, minus sin a upon sin a plus 1 upon sin a. The above numerator, all the numerator are divided by sin. Now we will see all the denominator we will divide by sin a. So it is our cos a upon sin a plus again sin a upon your sin a, it is sin theta, minus your 1 upon sin theta. It is clear. So you can see cosec upon sine will be your cot. Cosec upon sine will be of your cot. I am going to write here cot theta. Then 1, it is cancelled here, so it will be of your negative 1. 1 upon sine will be of your 1 upon sine is your cosec cosec theta. And the denominator you can see, you will have here your cot theta. It will be cancelled. Sine and sine will be cancelled here. So you can see here, if it is cancelled, both are cancelled, it will be of your positive 1. Then 1 upon sin theta is equals to negative your cosec theta. It is clear. Why it happens? Because cosec upon sine is equals to cot. Now we can see here, we are going to write the above information is this way. It is your cot theta plus your cosec theta minus 1, and denominator we can write it is cot theta minus your cosec theta plus 1. Now this one you can see cosec cosec square theta minus your cot square theta is equals to 1. So in place of this 1, I can easily write cosec square theta minus cot square theta. How it is possible? I am going to show it. You just see here that it is in place of 1, I am going to write our cosec square theta minus our cot square theta. So the ratio of cosec theta is your hypotenuse upon perpendicular, it is whole square, and cot is of your base upon perpendicular whole square. So it is your hypotenuse square upon perpendicular square minus base square upon perpendicular square. If I am going to take the common, so denominator you will have perpendicular square, and the numerator hypotenuse square minus base square. You see hypotenuse minus base is equals to perpendicular whole square upon perpendicular. It will be cancelled and it will be equals to 1. So in place of 1, I can easily write cosec square theta minus cot. Why I have chosen this cosec square theta minus cot square theta? Because all the ratios we have to convert in the form of cosec and cot. So all ratios we have to convert in the form of cosec and cos. So I can write this. So you can see the next step you will have here cot a plus cosec a minus, it is of your cosec square theta, cosec square a minus your cot square a. bracket close. The denominator, there won't be any change in the denominator, so we will write the denominator exactly it was in the previous step. It is for cosec A plus 1. Now if I am going to open the bracket, so the both the sign will be converted and I can write it into the another way, that is of your cot A. इसको बदल के कैसे लिख सकते हैं? ब्रैकेट खोलने के बाद आप देखिए, ब्रैकेट जब खुलेगा तो ब्रैकेट के बाहर अगर नेगेटिव साइन होता है तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर के साइन बदल जाते हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव कॉट। तो हम इसको यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं कॉट ए, कॉट स्क्वायर ए, और ये कॉसेक जो पहले से पॉजिटिव है ब्रैकेट खुलते ही ये नेगेटिव कॉसेक हो जाएगा, COSEC cosec square A हो जाएगा। इट इज़ क्लियर? सो इट इज़ cosec square A. नाउ यू सी हियर इट इज़ योर cot A minus COSEC cosec A plus 1. Now here you see A square minus B square, so another we can use identity A square minus B square, that is of your A plus B and your A minus B. Can we use this? So next step we are going to use the same identity. You see here I am going to use the same identity here. It is our your cot A plus your COSEC cosec A, your plus it is our cot A plus cosec A, COSEC cosec A, and here you have cot A minus COSEC cosec A. Numerator or denominator will be same because there is no change in the denominator, so it is our cot A minus your cosec A plus 1. One more thing I would like to tell you, if you have to go for the practice of this, बेटा ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं जिनको आपको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करना है, और जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे ये क्वेश्चंस आपको नहीं बनेंगे. इट इज़ बेटर फॉर यू टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. नाउ यू सी आई एम गोइंग टू टेक कॉमन. अब कॉमन कैसे ले सकते हैं? कॉट प्लस कॉसेक है बेटा, यहाँ पर भी कॉट प्लस कॉसेक है, तो इसको अगर हम कॉमन ले लेंगे तो यहाँ पर 1 आ जाएगा. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, यह आपके पास हो रहा है कॉट ए प्लस योर कॉसेक ए, and it is your plus bracket open, it is your 1 plus it is your cot A minus your cosec A. It is clear? If you are not going to put addition sign here, it's okay, no need to be putting addition sign. But now you see here हमने denominator there is no change, cot A minus your cosec A plus 1. See here, this is a positive one, this positive cot, and this is your cosec negative. So we can write this step in this way, cot A plus it is cosec A and cot A, this minus cos A, then plus 1 and denominator you can write like this, your cot A, this negative cos of A plus 1. So this whole can be cancelled, this whole can be cancelled with this whole. So the remaining you have at the end, what remaining you have, it is of your cot A plus COSEC cosec A, and it is addition. So your property says that if you will add 5 plus 2 it is 7, or your 2 plus 5 it will be 7. So it is equals to your right hand side, which is equals to your cosec A plus or cot A. You got it? Very good. Now I am going to show you once again. So if you want you can see and pause the video, note down the information. This chapter is chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.5, question number 5, part 5 we are doing. So solution, first of all we have divided all the ratios in the by the sin theta. By putting all the ratios by sin theta, division is there, then you can see we have this step. Then after this 1 is converted into this form. So here the first thing to be keep in mind is to convert the 1 into this form. Then after putting values in this, open the bracket, and in place of this here have another formula, another identity we have used here. After using the identity we have take the common one, and then we have cancelled all the values, and at the end we got the result.